How to delete purchase history on Shopee. So hi there guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Shopee application in our mobile device. Once you've opened your Shopee application, click on the Me section here below, and then afterwards you will be routed in this page. So next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to go to the Help Center. So here in the Help Center, the next thing that you're going to do is to send a request to Shopee. So click on the chat section, and right here you just need to tell Shopee that you want to delete your account. So say for example, account and fraud, and then I would like to ask, I want to delete my purchase history. Right there. So there, you will be given an article. Okay, so you could chat with a live agent in that sense, and then click that you're a buyer, and afterwards you want to go to your product content and legal section. So there, and then join queue for live agent afterwards. Now let's type our concern. Alright, so once you have typed your concern, and once an agent has gone onto your issue, then you would be assisted by them on how to restart your purchase history, or to delete your purchase history basically. And that's about it for today's video guys. Hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.